Once upon a time, in a small village, two best friends, Mia and Leo, discovered a map in an old book. The map showed a path to a magical forest filled with sparkling rivers and talking animals. Excited, they decided to follow the map and embark on an adventure together. As they entered the forest, colorful flowers surrounded them, and the sound of chirping birds filled the air. Suddenly, they met a wise old owl named Oliver. "To find the hidden treasure, you must solve my riddle," he hooted. Mia and Leo thought hard and finally answered correctly. Oliver smiled and pointed them toward a shimmering waterfall. Reaching the waterfall, they found a hidden cave behind the water. Inside, glowing crystals lit up the walls. But to their surprise, a playful squirrel named Sammy blocked their way. "You must play a game with me to pass," he squeaked. They laughed and played a fun game of hide-and-seek, winning Sammy's friendship. Sammy guided them deeper into the cave, where they discovered a sparkling treasure chest. Inside were not only jewels but also magical seeds that could grow into anything they wished. Excitedly, they picked a few seeds to take home, knowing they could use them to help their village. As they exited the cave, Mia and Leo realized that the real treasure was the friendship they had strengthened during the adventure. They promised to return to the magical forest, not just for treasure, but to visit their new friends, Oliver and Sammy. Back in their village, they planted the magical seeds, which quickly sprouted into beautiful trees and flowers, bringing joy to everyone. From that day on, Mia and Leo became the heroes of their village, sharing tales of friendship and adventure in the magical forest.
Once upon a time in a lush green forest, there lived a friendly bear named Benny. Benny was no ordinary bear. He had fluffy brown fur and sparkling blue eyes that twinkled with curiosity. One sunny morning, while wandering near a bubbling brook, Benny stumbled upon a shimmering golden key half buried in the ground. It glowed brightly in the sunlight, and Benny felt an irresistible urge to pick it up. As soon as Benny held the key in his paw, a soft voice echoed around him. "Thank you, brave bear. You have found the key to the magic cave." Benny looked around and saw a tiny fairy fluttering her wings. Her name was Lila, and she needed Benny's help to unlock the magic inside the cave that was hidden deep within the forest. Intrigued and excited, Benny agreed to help Lila. Together, they made their way through the thick forest, dodging playful squirrels and singing birds. Lila shared stories of the magical creatures that lived in the cave, including glittering dragons and wise old owls. Benny listened eagerly, imagining all the wonderful friends he would meet. After a long trek, they reached the entrance of the magic cave, which was covered in colorful vines and sparkling crystals. Benny inserted the golden key into the keyhole, and with a gentle turn, the door creaked open, revealing a world filled with vibrant colors and enchanting sounds. Benny gasped in awe as he stepped inside, feeling the magic wrap around him like a warm blanket. Inside the cave, Benny and Lila encountered a magnificent dragon named Amber, who was in trouble. Amber had lost her precious fire gem, which kept her warm and bright. Without it, she felt cold and gloomy. Benny, being brave and kind-hearted, offered to help find the gem. Lila waved her wand, and together they followed the trail of sparkles that led them deeper into the cave. As they ventured further, they faced challenges like crossing a wobbly bridge and solving a riddle from a wise old owl. Benny used his strength to help Lila across the bridge, and with teamwork, they solved the riddle, which opened the way to a hidden chamber filled with treasures. In the heart of the chamber, they found the fire gem glowing brightly atop a pedestal. Benny carefully picked it up and handed it to Amber. The dragon's eyes sparkled with joy as she thanked Benny and Lila for their bravery. In return, Amber offered them each a magical scale that would grant them one wish. Benny wished for all the animals in the forest to live in harmony and happiness. Lila wished for the forest to be forever filled with magic. As they made their wishes, the scales shimmered and sparkled, spreading joy throughout the forest. Benny felt a warm glow in his heart as he realized the true magic was not just in the cave, but in the friendship and kindness they shared. With their adventure complete, Benny and Lila returned to the forest, where all the animals celebrated their bravery. Benny had made new friends and discovered that sometimes, the greatest adventures happen when you follow. Once upon a time in a lush, green forest, there lived a wise little owl named Ollie. Ollie had big, round eyes that sparkled like stars and feathers that glistened in the sunlight. One evening, while perched on his favorite branch, Ollie noticed a glowing light flickering in the distance. Curiosity sparked in his heart, and he decided to investigate the mysterious light. As Ollie flew through the trees, he felt the cool breeze ruffle his feathers. He finally arrived at a clearing where he found a shimmering portal made of twinkling stars. What could this be? He wondered aloud. Just then, a gentle voice emerged from the portal, inviting him to enter and discover a magical world beyond. With a flutter of excitement, Ollie took a deep breath and soared through the portal. On the other side, Ollie found himself in a land filled with color and wonder. Trees were made of candy, and rivers sparkled like diamonds. As he explored, he met a friendly unicorn named Luna, who was searching for her lost rainbow. "Can you help me find it?" she asked eagerly. Ollie, always ready for an adventure, nodded enthusiastically. Together, they set off on a quest to find the missing rainbow. Their first stop was the candy cane forest, where they encountered a mischievous squirrel named Natty. "I saw a rainbow," Natty squeaked, pointing towards the rainbow waterfall. "But it's guarded by the grumpy troll, Grizzle." Despite the warning, Ollie and Luna decided to bravely continue their journey. As they approached the waterfall, they spotted Grizzle sitting on a rock, frowning. "You can't pass unless you solve my riddle," he boomed. Ollie, with his wise owl brain, listened closely as Grizzle asked, "What has keys but can't open locks?" After a moment of thought, Ollie exclaimed, "A piano." Grizzle's face softened, and he allowed them to pass with a smile. At the base of the waterfall, Ollie and Luna found the most beautiful rainbow shimmering in the sunlight. "We did it!" cheered Luna. But as they approached, a sudden gust of wind blew the rainbow away. Ollie quickly thought of a plan. "If we work together, we can create a new rainbow," he suggested. With Luna's magic and Ollie's wisdom, they gathered colorful flowers, sparkling water, and bright sunlight. They mixed everything together, and slowly, a new rainbow began to form in the sky. It was even brighter than the last. Luna danced with joy, and Ollie felt proud of their teamwork. As a thank you, Luna granted Ollie a special gift, the ability to visit the magical world whenever he wished. With a flap of his wings, Ollie flew back through the portal, returning to his forest home. That night, he perched on his branch, looking up at the stars, knowing that magical adventures awaited him whenever he wished to explore. And so, Ollie the owl became the wisest and happiest owl in the forest, always ready for the next adventure that would come.